Mr. Cowboy here with another sneezing challenge. So this is gonna be a normal sneezing challenge. I'm just gonna try not to sneeze. That's pretty much it. So if at any point in this video you like it, make sure to press that like button and subscribe if you haven't. Alright. Oh. Fail. Oh man. It's so hard to hold that in. It's so bad for your throat. Alright. I'm gonna try again for you guys. Other nostril. Here we go. Remember to like. I suck at this. Alright, person who suggested this video, it will be in the description below. Thank you guys for watching. Now please like if you liked it. Sorry it was so quick, but yeah. So yeah, like if you haven't liked it yet, subscribe if you haven't, and oh, excuse me. See you guys later. Mr. Cowboy.